Dude, that's a giant. That's a freaking giant, man. Whoa! That fish.
Oh, good morning. My name is Matt. You're watching Fish Up North. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, what is up guys? Today I'm going to be doing my first ice fishing video of 2025. We are on Lake Champlain, right on the bridge that separates Vermont and New York. We're hoping to get some lake trout today. It is early morning. Me and Mat Gilbert from Vermont to you, baby. We're fishing with VTJs, Vermont to you. Check him out. I will leave the link down below. Check out his videos. We're hoping to get some lake trout today. We're going to be using VTJs and we're going to hopefully get on some lake trout today. The weather's looking pretty good. It's very cold out right now, mild wind. We got the shanty set up with the heater and we have a live scope unit running. We're hoping to get some fish using that as well, but stay tuned and hopefully I can put a good video together here for you guys.
So it is way too cold to not stay warm. Oh, that's it, man. I told you the coffee was almost there. Cheers to lake trout. Yeah.
Cheers to lake trout. Matt. I have a laker chasing me. Look at this.
Yes! Tell me you're recording for that.
I got recording. On the live scope of VTJ.
You want me to land him?
Yeah. They just like to bleed. Move the heater out of the way. Dude, that's a nice fish. That's a nice lake trout. Oh my god. Oh god.
Let the tip of the rod let him bounce, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if you pull too hard.
Yeah, he's gonna he's barely hooked.
Yeah, make sure you got your drag set too.
Yep.
He's gonna flip around a little bit. He's a little wrapped.
Yep. Okay.
Wrapped.
You can hand grab him. Yes! Get over here! You're mine!
Got him! Got him!
Woo!
There you go!
Off the VTJ! Yes!
On the VTJ! Fucking flop out of my hands!
I got him! I'll take him.
I'm gonna go and get my camera going outside, okay?
Look at this off the VTJ!
Let's go!
What a lake trout!
Great work!
Yes!
Scope that bitch!
I live scoped my first lake trout. Look at this. Off the VTJ, baby!
Oh, he's ready to go.
Yes, let's go. VTJ Nation.
Yeah. All right, for slime.
I was able to get that one lake trout on the VTJ. That is a 2-ounce VTJ with a orange tube on it. Looks like it's doing pretty well. Other than that, we're having a great day out here. I will leave the link down below for VTJs. Contact Mat Gilbert from Vermont to you. A lot more videos and content's gonna be coming out this summer based on the VTJ and what we can do to get more people to get out and kayak fish and laker fish in general and just get more educated on how the fish run. I'm still learning it myself as a laker fisherman, trying to learn how lake trout work. Having the live scope unit is going to make a huge difference based on how I can see how lake trout specifically chase. And that's one thing that's super important about what I'm learning, how lake trout chase and using the sonar to read when these fish are going to bite. And it's interesting fishing with Matt. He really knows his stuff and he's teaching me a lot about laker fishing, about the chase and how to read graphs and a lot of stuff that I wouldn't think about myself, but I can use his experience on. We are right by the bridge right here. We are technically in the center, so technically we are on the Vermont side, but we're having a very good day out here. So I'm going to show you how I set up a flag. And basically what I'll do is I'll drill my hole. I have my tip up set up, prepped up right here. All I'm running is a 10-foot, 10-pound fluorocarbon leader with 3 split shot weights with about a foot of distance going to a, so I don't know if you can see that, it's a size 12 treble hook. And then we're using medium shiners as our bait. So I'll get my hole first. So I already got my shiners right here. I'll scoop one up, So I got my medium shiner right here. Basically what I do is that when I hook these, I hook them in the back. And I kind of want it to look something like this, where I have the split shots right here, and then I got the bait just squirming around. So I'll drop this in the hole. And now we're fishing for lake trout. So this is pretty much the middle of the winter right now in upstate New York. And one thing a lot of people do is they put their bait all the way to the bottom. And you can do that, but that's not my style. A lot of the lake girls actually push the bait fish up, and we're very close to the shoreline right now. So I'm only gonna stick it in about 5 feet. We're not gonna go too crazy. Like I said, I've got a lot of fluorocarbon on. I want to make sure I have as much fluorocarbon on as possible. This way the fish don't see the braid. This water is very clear. That's about it. And then I'll set up my flag. And basically what happens when the fish pulls it, it'll set off the flag, and just that little bit of vibration right there is enough to set the hook. All I gotta do is put my flag right on the edge here of this right here, and then we'll set that down. Make sure everything is aligned properly, and that's it.
Who's doing it?
You got it. It's your tip up.
Rock, paper, scissors.
No, take it. Take it. Get the fish.
I think something's on.
We'll see. See if it's pulling.
Wait. Oh yeah, dude.
You got a fish?
Fish on.
Let's go.
Let's go, Matt.
Good job.
Or we just have like something.
I think you got a fish.
It might be. It's doing some weird shit, dude.
It might take off. Just be prepared.
Well, we have like 10 or 20 pound.
Oh yeah, you got a big laker. Oh my God. Matt. You want me to grab him? Oh my God. You want me to grab him?
If you can get it.
Yeah! Oh my God! Woohoo! Dude, that's a giant! Oh, what a fish! Yes! Awesome.
All right, let's get him back. All right.
Let that baby go. What a giant, Matt.
My name is Mat Gilbert, and this is a 23-inch lake trout. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is VTTU, and while you're at it, go check out Fish Up North.
There he goes.
Woo! Yes!
Yes! I don't see it spinning. I don't see it spinning. I'll be surprised.
Tom, can you go move over and rotate left a little bit? Yeah. Perfect.
I don't think it's a fish. Oh no, it's a fish. Nope, it's a fish. Yeah, that's a lake trout, dude. Gotta keep tension. That's the only thing with this. Okay. We got ourselves a laker. Oh, we're at the leader. He's coming up. This is a very thin line. Giant laker. Oh my God. Yes! Woohoo!
Let's go!
Let's go! Look at that.
Awesome, dude.
Sweet!
Can you down here real quick? I got my phone. You can get a quick picture.
Yeah, he's got a lamprey mark on him. What a beautiful lake trout. Lake Champlain, baby. That is awesome. Man, he's got some nice size to him too, on a tip up. All right, we have another flag. My wish came true. My wish came true. Is it running? Is it moving?
Going on the other side. Yeah.
Is it moving?
Good, yeah, fight it this way. Perfect.
Let's see if we got a fish here. Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
We gotta go get tools.
Okay. Yeah, we got a fish here.
Okay.
Oh, we'll find out. We will find out. It feels pretty heavy. I see it. Oh, it's a big laker. It's a big laker. Oh my God. Oh, he's taking off. Dude, it's a laker. It's a laker. Woo! It's not a giant, but it's a good size one. It's a good size laker.
Oh yeah, dude, nice one.
And he does not like the hole.
I don't have the grabbers, but I have pliers. Yeah, there you go.
If I can get his head. Yeah! Look at that, another laker. It doesn't get old.
How's the hook set?
Let's find out. He's right in his mouth.
You can hold him. Yeah, I can get it
Right in his mouth. That's a nice laker, dude. Oh my God.
Oh, I must have it.
Oh, he's basically out.
Got it. Oh, we're still tangled. Oops. Yeah, put him down for a second. Excellent.
Absolute beautiful laker. Even the little ones are big ones. Remember to subscribe to VT2U. I will leave the link down below.
I mean, you're already subscribed to Fish Up North, right? Right?
I hope you guys are. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah, no joke. Can you get the heater out of the way?
Oh my God.
The heater out of the way.
What the? Mat Gilbert. Oh my God, look at that fish.
Get him, this is on 10 pound. Get him.
Oh my God. Oh, damn it. Come on. Oh. I'm not touching the line.
All right.
One more time.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Come on, please. Get your head right here. Just go one more shot.
Huge right under the ice.
Wow. I've got this recording, man. Oh, come on. Whoa, dude, what is going on? One more shot. That's it. Yeah! Look at that fish! Look at that fish! Woo!
Live scope.
Look
Baby! Okay, he's ready.
Dude, today's been freaking unreal.
Yeah, man, it's been a good one. Oh, up top. Right under the ice.
Oh, Matt! Did you see that?
Yes.
Matt, he's gonna take it. Oh my God, he's right there. Dude,
I see him.
Look at this. We're sight fishing for lake trout.
Oh my God.
Oh, he missed it. He's gonna hit it. I'm gonna get him, dude. I'm gonna get him. Look at this.
Oh, I'm gonna get him.
One of us is gonna get him. Oh, this is freaking unbelievable.
Oh!
You got him! Yes, Matt, let's go!
Get him up!
Yeah!
Oh my God, we just sight fished the lake trout! Dude, oh my God.
Dude, that's a beautiful fish. Look at this. Totally on tape. All on tape, Matt.
What? Dude,
Look at that.
I think we can go now. I think I'm good.
What?
All right.
We're going to call it a wrap. Thank you, everybody, for watching. How many fish did we get today?
6, 7.
We banged out 7 fish today.
At least 6.
That was an epic day.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh my God, we caught a laker under the ice. You got a nice, probably 25-incher over there.
We scoped a couple.
We live scoped some fish.
Oh
my
so
God,
good,
what a good day. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe VT2U, and I will leave the link down below so you can purchase your VTJs today. We'll see you later.